Good morning friends. In this video we will discuss that how pattern recognition system looks like in machine learning. So we have the real world and we have the sensors which collect the data from the real world environment. Then we pre-process and enhance this data. Pre-processing and enhancing is basically removing the missing values, taking care of the extreme values that are there in the data, and preparing the data for being given to a machine learning model. Scaling, encoding, all these steps are included here in pre-processing and enhancement. Then we have feature extraction, that is which values will be given to the machine learning model. If we have collected 10 values, whether all 10 will be given or which values are having more impact on the decision. Based on that, we will do the feature extraction and feature selection. And then there are three ways in which the machine learning can work. There is a classification algorithm, there is a clustering algorithm, and there is a regression. So these are the three types of machine learning that we can perform, where classification and regression, both of them are supervised learnings. Clustering is a unsupervised learning. In the subsequent video, I will be discussing what is a supervised and unsupervised learning. In classification, we take decisions like yes and no, whether we will do something or not do something. In regression, we try to generate a value. Suppose you are trying to predict that in 2030 what will be the price of the houses. In that case, we will not generate a yes no value, but we will generate a price, a running value, a real value for the house prices that will be there in the 2030. So that is a regression analysis. And clustering is where similar type of data is grouped together, and based on that we try to predict that what will be the result, what is the class of a given data, or what is the value that a given data is going to generate. So clustering is unsupervised and classification and regression are supervised forms of learning. So in the subsequent videos, I'll be discussing this in more detail. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and recommend to your friends. Thank you.